Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Kinds of Shares. What is shares? Share as defined in the Company Act 2013 is the measure of shareholder interest in a company asset. In other words, shares represent a shareholder stake of ownership of the company. Public limited companies can raise capital for their business by issuing stock apart for possessing ownership rights. These shares also carry or entitlement. Some types of share voting rights. The rights to dividend on period, the company's surplus profit, share in the company losses, etc. Types of ordinary equity share. Equity share come in different types, each serving a specific purpose based on various factors. Let's break them down and understand how they are classified. Different types of equity share based on capital. Authorized share capital. Authorized share capital is the maximum amount of company can raise by issuing equity share. It is the total value of shares the company is allowed to offer as stated in its legal document. Issue shares capital. Issue share capital is the actual amount of capital a company raises by issuing a specific member of equity share to the public. Subscribed capital. Subscribed shares capital is the part of the issued share capital that investors have agreed to buy. When shares are raised, investors sign up to purchase them and that create the subscribed capital. Paid up capital. Paid up share capital is the amount that investors have actually paid for the shares they bought. This is part of the subscribed capital and so the actual fund the company has received from the stockholder. Other common types of equity share. In addition to the above, there are several other types of equity share including unlisted shares that companies can issue. The shares come with different privilege and serve specific purpose. Bonus shares. Bonus shares are issued by company to their existing shareholder without any additional cost. Right share. Right shares are offered to existing shareholder, giving them the rights to buy additional share at a preferential price, often below the market value. Shareholders are given a limited period to purchase the shares before the offer expiry. Sweet equity share. Sweet equity share are given to employees or director of a company in exchange for their hard work, effort or intellectual contribution. Employee stock ownership plan. Employee stock ownership plan to buy shares in the company they work for, often at discussed the price. Employees are typically allowed to hold the share for certain period before they can sell them. Voting rights. Voting shares give shareholder the rights to vote an important matter concern the company, such as electing director or approving merger. Non-voting share. Non-voting share, as the name suggests, do not provide shareholder with voting rights. Different types of preference share. Preference share come in various forms, each offering unique benefit and features. Redeemable and irredeemable preference share. Redeemable preference share are those where the company has the option to buy back the share from shareholder at a later date. This can happen either after specific period at a predetermined time in a future. Irredeemable preference share don't offer this buyback option. Once issued, the shares remain with the shareholder identified unless they are sold or transferred. Convert and non-convertible preference share. Convertible preference share gives shareholder the option to convert their preference shares into common equity share under specific addition. Non-convertible preference share, however, do not come with the option. Shareholder can only receive the fixed dividend, cannot switch their preference share into common stock. Participate and non-participating preference share. Participating preference share allow their holder to receive not just the fixed dividend but also a shares in the company profit once dividend have been paid common shareholder. On other hand, non-participating preference share offer a fixed dividend and nothing more. Shareholder of this share receive a set payment and don't participate in additional profit the common mind take regardless of its financial success. Cumulative and non-cumulative preference share. Cumulative preference share, if the company misses a dividend payment in any given year, the unparticipated dividend are carried forward and must be paid out in future year before any dividend can be paid to common shareholder. Non-cumulative preference share work differently. If the company skip a dividend payment, the shareholder has no right to claim that mixed dividend in future years. The dividend is simply lost and the shareholder only receive future payment as they become due. Thank you.